Hi Tigers, it's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time to learn a new letter and sound. Today, I have a letter for you, but when we say the sound, it sounds like two sounds together. This is a sound we often see or hear at the end of words. I don't have a sentence today. I'm just going to say a few words, and I want you to listen for what sound you hear at the end. Max, fix, Rex, box. I emphasize the last sound so you could really notice it. Listen again. Max, fix, Rex, box. Did you hear the sound at the end of each of those words? It sounds like this. X. It's like I'm making the K sound and the S sound really close together. X. Can you try that? X. Very good. The letter that makes that sound is the letter X. Say X. X says X. You try it. X says X. When I look for the letter X on my alphabet chart, I usually see a picture of an X-ray or a xylophone. Those words have X at the beginning, and they make a different sound when they're at the beginning. We say X says X because that's what we hear at the end when X is at the end of a word. When we see our letter card, we're going to say X says X. Very good. Now let's see how we write the letter X. I'm getting ready to show you how to write the letter X. You're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. If you have a bumpy board and a green crayon, let's use those. X is another letter where the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter look the same. They're just different sizes. I'm going to get ready to write X, and it's again a letter that uses slanted lines or lines that are a little bit crooked. I'm going to start and make one slanted line down. Then I'm going to go and make one slanted line down the other way. It crosses in the middle. X says X. Let's do it 3 times. Line down, line down. X says X. One more time. Slanted line down, slanted line down. X says X. See if you can practice writing the letter X 3 times and try to think of a word where you hear X, the X sound at the end.